This is how I got scammed on eBay. So basically, this is when I was purchasing a bunch of items from eBay, and I was buying a bunch of gift cards at the time. So I would buy gift cards at like a 20% discount from what they were worth. And one of the products that I purchased, or one of the gift cards that I purchased, was a Ticketmaster gift card. So I was planning on, buying hockey tickets or buying a concert ticket with the gift card. It was like a $500 gift card. And then nothing really came up. And eventually, it was like a year after I bought the gift card, and I found something that I wanted to go to. So I go to Ticketmaster to buy the tickets. And sure enough, the gift card that I had purchased from eBay had a $0 balance, even though it was supposed to be $500. And when I reached out to eBay, they said, well, why didn't you reach out to us sooner? And when I received the card, it had the $500 balance that it was supposed to have. But clearly, whoever sold it to me knew that, and they knew what the gift card number was and the PIN code. And then after I hadn't used it within a month, then they went and used it, and then now it was no longer refundable by eBay, even though I had purchased it from them. So that's how I got scammed. Basically, I was buying a bunch of gift cards, and most people were honest about it. When I buy a gift card and then wait a while to use it, it would still work. But this particular Ticketmaster gift card, unfortunately did not work, and I ended up getting scammed on eBay. So always be very cautious, especially when you're buying gift cards, that if you are going to buy a gift card from eBay, that you're going to use it right away. Don't wait like I did for like a year, because that's when somebody could scam you.